Hello everyone, my name is Vinitha and today I am going to talk about tuberculosis. As we all know that tuberculosis is a contagious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis which mainly affect the lungs but can also infect other organs of our body. It is a airborne disease which can spread from one person to another through droplet nuclei while coughing, sneezing, or spitting. The symptoms of tuberculosis include cough with sputum or blood, chest pain, weight loss, weakness, fever, and night sweats. Regarding the global situation of tuberculosis, despite being curable and preventable disease, it is one of the top 10 causes of death globally, responsible for the deaths of nearly 1.4 million people in 2019 only. It is estimated that in 2019, about 10 million people were diagnosed with tuberculosis, of which majority of them were men. Geographically, most of the cases of tuberculosis were reported from Southeast Asia region, followed by Africa and the West Pacific, and very small proportion from America and Europe. Similarly, in 2019, eight countries accounted for two-thirds of the total disease burden, with India leading the count. In the same context, about 206,000 people were detected with multi drug resistant tuberculosis in 2019, which remains a major public health concern and a health security threat. Talking about the progress toward reducing the disease burden, as per WHO, the annual number of tuberculosis is falling globally, but not fast enough to reach the end tuberculosis milestone of a 20% reduction between the year 2015 to 2020. The cumulative reduction of tuberculosis cases between 2015 and 2019 was 9%, which is less than the halfway toward 2020 milestone. However, European and African region has made a very good progress by reducing 19% and 16% of tuberculosis between the year 2015 and 2019 respectively. There are several factors associated with the tuberculosis causation: social, political, economic, and behavioral. Poverty is one of the social factor which is considered to have a greater contribution in the transmission of tuberculosis. Multiple studies show that poorer the community, the greater the probability of getting infected with tuberculosis bacteria. Because poor people are more likely to live in conditions such as overcrowded and poorly ventilated home where tuberculosis is more prone to transmit. And furthermore, due to the consumption of poor quality and quantity of food, they are more likely to have weaker immunity system to fight against tuberculosis germs. Similarly, behavioral factors such as harmful alcohol consumption and tobacco smoking increases the risk of tuberculosis by two or three folds. In my main essay, I will try to incorporate all these factors with the evidence from different countries. And there have been numerous interventions conducted in the past to reduce the tuberculosis disease burden. Specifically, WHO directly observed treatment strategy where medications are swallowed by patient under the supervision of health practitioners, thereby eliminating the possibility of drug default. The strategy have been found effective, particularly in developing nations. Similarly, the Stop TB strategy and the End TB strategy was carried out. I will explain that in more detail in my report. Likewise, there are some other successful interventions at the local level in different countries. So these are the challenges of the tuberculosis burden of disease, which could be addressed by strong political commitment along with the adequate financial and human resources, which I'm going to explain further in detail in my main essay. So that's all for today. Thank you.